Just doing a quick unboxing of the Peerless Assassin 120 SE V2. This is the RGB version. Same thing as the regular version. It's got lights on it, guys. Same exact thing otherwise, though. But CPU die, let me tell you, I don't think they're kidding, because this thing is massive. All right, guys, there you go. Just take a peek. Please peel off label before you use it. Like, this is some serious heat sinking here. All right, guys, this is going to destroy my regular Wraith cooler that I have going on now. I'll come back to you guys with some tests. This is a work and play computer, so don't mind all the dust and nastiness. I actually keep it open. Don't ask why. Work and play. But this is my original cooler. I just upgraded from a AMD 5600 to a 5800 XT. That's an 8-core, 16-thread. This does not keep up with it at all. It's constantly throttling because of the speeds and heat that the 5800 XT produces. So I just wanted to show you before I show you what it's like with the new cooler. Here it is all installed right now. Just took the Wraith out, put it in. It was fairly straightforward. The only thing I couldn't do actually was hook up the RGBs because I only have 12-volt RGB pin on my... Do a quick unboxing, and then I will also post a video of how it performs. The motherboard, and these are 5 volts. See, they're missing a pin. So please do realize that you need 5-volt RGBs. It's basically just look for the 4-pin with a missing on your motherboard piece. I'm going to check and see if there's an adapter. I wouldn't be surprised there's some sort of adapter so I can fit it on my 4-pin. I don't have any 5s left. Also, for those of you that are wondering, it does come with some thermal paste right in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. There is some thermal paste in here, because I know some people would probably ask that question. I know I do, compared to my stock cooler that I have now. So, boxing looks very good. It's huge, guys. Got your little, got a manual here. There's a lot of, there we go. Very detailed manual. And here is your cooler, guys. All right, one fan. This is a dual fan setup. Dual fan. There's your connector. So, same thing here. Dual fan setup. And then here's your hardware. All right, so this is your backing plate that you'll put on the back of the motherboard. It'll come up so you can lock it in place over the CPU. And then here is the giant heatsink cooling system. Wow, this thing is large, guys, I will say. This thing, I have a feeling, will... It says it'll handle, I think it's over a 200 watt